Today we're making butternut squash with ricotta and fried sage. The hardest part about this is cutting the butternut squash. The Instant Pot does all the work. This is such a great side for fall, and it will have your guests saying, "Is this a vegetable? This can't be a vegetable." Let's get started. We need a small to medium butternut squash. We're going to need some ricotta cheese. We're going to need some sage. We're using a little allspice, salt, of course, and some butter. The first thing we're going to do is prep the squash. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can peel some of the skin. Whew, slippery and heavy. Not a good combo. All right, done. Just going to cut this into chunks. They don't have to be super small. They're going to steam in the Instant Pot. This is also a great side dish for just the fall. I've served this before with braised short ribs. It's a nice side with that as well. It's a good, easy recipe to have in your repertoire. Again, that's the hardest part. I have this steamer basket. I'm going to put that in here, along with 1 cup of water. And then we just need to place our squash cubes in the steamer basket. And this is so great because we're just not using any oven space. And if you're unlucky, like me, our oven decided to call it a day last year right before Thanksgiving. So we had to be a little creative about cooking. We're going to put this lid on and we're going to set this to pressure cook. We're going to cook it on high pressure for 10 minutes. Our butternut squash has steamed on high pressure for 10 minutes and we've let it naturally release for 5 minutes. And so we're going to release the steam manually. I have a bowl here. We're going to put this in. This is very easy to finish up. That looks great. Now we're going to move this into a bowl. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk ricotta. I have a masher that we're just going to get in here and mash this together. It's so easy and it's incredibly delicious. It smells so good too. The next thing we need to do is add a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Whisk this around. I'm just giving this a little taste to see if it needs more salt or if 1/2 teaspoon is plenty. That's good. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put this into this pie plate to serve. This is such a great dish and it's also very unexpected. So if you're looking for something a little different, this is the perfect dish. We're going to heat a pan, adding 3 tablespoons of butter. This is our crispy sage and brown butter. If you haven't made brown butter before, don't be intimidated. It's not hard. You just have to watch because it can go from brown to burnt really quickly. Oh, wow, this smells so good. And this takes no time at all. This will come together in like 3 minutes. So all in all, your active time on this dish is not very long. Just cutting up the squash and then mixing it together once it's done with the ricotta. I got so busy that I forgot to add the allspice. I'll sprinkle this on and we'll stir it together. All these flavors are so good together. Okay, so our butter is melted, and it's not browning yet. Just keep an eye on it. Our sage is crisping up. Oh, looks so good. Just went to get these a little more crispy and the butter a little more brown. What you're looking for in the brown butter is the solids from the butter separate and they end up on the bottom of the pot. They look like little sugar granules and we want them really golden. Just makes this dish extra special. All the pops and the sizzles. Okay, here we go. This is perfect. Make sure you can see the brown butter. We're just going to pour this over to finish right before you serve. This crispy sage. Oh, smells so good. Look at how beautiful this is. This is gorgeous. Let's give this a little taste and with the brown butter and the sage. This is so good and it's so easy. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.